Hello everyone, this is me Johan here. After using a line of smartphones, I finally decided to use a smartphone that is not 10,000 rupees, 9,000 rupees, 8,000 rupees, or even 7,000 rupees. Believe it or not, the smartphone that I've been using for the past 10 days has been this Redmi 7A. The smartphone that I'm using right now is just 6,200 rupees, and when you convert that to USD, that comes to less than $90. Considering the price, I feel the internals in this phone are pretty good. I mean, it comes with 2 GB of RAM, 32 GB of internal storage, which can be expanded via micro SD card. You also do get dual SIM slots on this phone, and powering all this is the Snapdragon 439 octa-core processor. Is this just another budget phone, or did it go beyond my expectations? Well, this is my full review of the Redmi 7A. In case this is the first time you've tuned into my channel, do me a favor guys, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right down there, and right after that hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified with the latest and greatest videos the second they are uploaded on YouTube by me.
Although just a 720p display used on this phone, I must say the display quality has been quite satisfactory considering the price especially. What impressed me most about the display is the fact that it's just 5.5 inches, so one-handed usage has been a real joy on this phone. This clip you're seeing is being played at 720p and it's at its maximum brightness. I must say one thing, for the price, this phone's display is actually quite impressive. Build quality wise, I had very low expectations of this phone. Although the back of this phone is made up of plastic, I must say it's impressively built, and even the volume rockers as well as the power button feel reasonably tactile and well put together. Overall, I've been quite impressed regarding the build quality of this phone, as I did not expect too much out of the phone considering the price. As far as the cameras are concerned, it comes with a single camera setup at the back along with the LED flash, and at the back front you do have a selfie camera as well. Again, considering the price, I did not expect anything much out of this camera, but surprisingly during idle daylighting situations, both the rear and the selfie camera take reasonably good images. It's only during low light that the camera completely falls apart, but considering the price, pretty good I would say. You guys can have a look at some of the shots I've taken on this phone's rear as well as selfie cam. As you guys see, for the price, I really cannot complain. This phone does not come with a fingerprint scanner, but it does come with the face unlock, surprisingly. You guys can have a look at that. Yeah, it's detected my face and voila, it's open. The face unlock has worked impressively very well. It's only during low light, it tends to struggle a little bit, but then again, considering the price, it's done a really good job. The one area that really impressed me in this phone has been its performance. You guys can have a look at this and see for yourself. I have at least 15 apps running in the background, and I've always kept 15 apps running in the background. And keep in mind one thing, the phone did not crash even once. None of the apps crashed even once, sorry. And I did play PUBG on this phone for at least 45 minutes to 1 hour every day, and I'm happy to report one thing, it played PUBG fine without any issues. Yes, there is a bit of lag here and there, but it's completely playable. I'll just play a short session of PUBG to give you guys an understanding of how this phone plays PUBG. Overall, the performance on this phone has been really impressive considering the price. You guys can have a look at it and see. The app opening speeds are reasonably fast and they are fluent enough to give you a delightful experience. Performance is an A+ considering the price. This phone does come with a 720p display, a 5.5-inch screen, it's an IPS LCD display, and powering this is a 4000 mAh battery inside. To sum up the battery on this phone, a light user can easily get 2 days of battery backup out of this phone, a medium user can get 1.5 days easily, and the heaviest of heaviest users can get over a day's usage out of this phone's single charger battery. The battery life has been phenomenal on this phone, one of the best I've tested on any mobile phone as of now. Even over here you can see I've achieved a screen on time of over 3.5 hours and a phone idle time of nearly 20 hours, and there's still 60% of its battery left. This is with both 4G and Wi-Fi mixed. All of the battery figures were achieved using 2 SIM cards constantly, which was extremely impressive. Call quality and reception on this phone was again excellent, no complaints. I was really impressed. The one area where I was disappointed with this phone was with its speaker performance. The phone comes with a single fairing speaker towards its right bottom chin. Alright, I'll just play a video clip right now. See, it sounds nice and loud right now because the environment it's basically soundless right now. But when I land up in a place where there's a good bit of sound, I find it very difficult to really hear what is coming out of this phone speaker. And due to that, this has been a little disappointing. But as it is with everything, there is a solution to everything. If you cup your hands like this towards the speaker downwards, it does provide a decent experience. This is something that needs to be done when you're in a noisy environment. Another area where this phone has really surprised me has been with the quality of audio produced via the 3.5mm headphone jack out of this, and believe me, the output it produces is surprisingly good. I expected it to be complete crap considering the price at which this phone is being sold at, but the only thing is you need to keep the volume at about 80 to 90% to get the actual effects out of it. Overall, I've been really satisfied.
Finally, who is this phone for? One, it's for beginners, people who've never used a smartphone before and you're planning on buying a new smartphone and using it and you don't have a very high budget. This is an excellent phone to start off with. For people who do not want to spend much money on a smartphone, say if you have a budget of below 7,000 rupees, for 6,200 rupees, this is an excellent buy. And lastly, people who are looking to buy a spare phone. If you guys are looking out for a phone that does all the basics right and do not want to spend much on a smartphone, this phone is an easy recommendation from my side. So that's it for me today, guys. I hope you guys really liked the video. If you loved the video, I'd appreciate it if you guys could give me a thumbs up. What else can I say? Wishing all of you a tremendous day ahead of you. Ciao for now.